Hey guys, this is Detective Chimp here, back with another video. And today we're just going to be doing a vlog. Today we're going to be exploring an abandoned house. This is in Preston. I'm not going to give the road away because I don't want to get caught or anything, but yeah, this is a really cool building. So we're just going to explore it. Let's have a look. And yeah, just to say I'm with my friendly stepbrother here, so we're just going to have an explore and see what we can find. This is probably the front room. Very sick. Keen. So he's got some really weird thing in there. I'm just gonna put my torch on. So as you see, that's Keenan over there. Yeah, that's with me. So yeah, probably homeless people probably sleeping in here. Oh. I tell you what, it stinks of a lot of pee in here, but it's pretty cool. So we're just gonna go down to the cellar, see what we can see. Do you wanna go down? Do you wanna go down there? Right, we've decided we're not going to go down into the cellar because we can hear dripping water. There's light on.
Pass me the phone. Hold on.
Keenan's going to show. So. What is it? Is it just water?
I don't know.
Do you not want to go down?
Not really.
We're just going to have a look just to fuck it.
I'm tempted.
Just go down, just a couple of seconds. Give it a phone.
No, that ain't safe. That is not safe. There's wires everywhere.
Right, so we're covering the camera, guys. Right, I'll come back out of the basement. We're going to explore the attic. So now we're just going up the stairs. Whoa, that does not look good.
Oh, look. The stairs there, yeah. Stairs there. Come through here.
For some reason, there's a random Pepsi bottle just put in the floor.
Box. Random floor, yeah. And there's more on it.
So,
Don't think we used the same place.
whoa, look, the window. There's a what?
There's a lighter with no gas.
Oh, shit. Oh, no, my focus is gone. There we go. This is the other room, and we're just about to go in the attic now. Oh, God. Right. We're on the attic.
Oh no, it's a different room.
It feels really unsafe.
There's this attic room, and then there's one over there as well.
Oh my God, I just feel like I'm just gonna fall. You see, this is like all this. Whoa. I just feel like I'm just literally just gonna drop.
No, we need to go into the other attic room.
Oh my God, I don't want to look because
There's holes everywhere.
Right, I'm getting down over here because I don't like it. Right, this is the other attic. Oh my God, there's a big gap in the floor there. Whoa, this is It's massive. That's what she said. Right, I think that's about it I'm going to do. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed it. Comment if you found anything interesting, or if you have any ideas for what we could do to make it better. Or if you simply have any, things for the next video or something. And make sure you smash that subscribe button. Not because I find anything interesting, just because I do, but also interesting for my fans and people of the public in the surrounding community. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.